Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Danica Revamped. This channel is pretty much a beauty slash wellness channel. I do a lot of befores and afters on various things, various up and coming trends in the beauty industry. A lot of strange things that you wouldn't really hear of, but sometimes they catch on. Sometimes they do work and there is actual evidence and, literature. These things work. I like to do little anecdotal experiments on myself to give you guys a type of vlog style of my journey with this or that experiment I'm doing. So some examples that I've done in the past are I experimented with derma rolling to make my lips bigger, and I kind of let you guys know if that actually worked or not. Derma rolling, basically you're pricking your face with multiple small needles with it's on a roller and you're going like this. It's supposedly supposed to help boost collagen in your skin, make you look younger, kind of like regenerate your skin, and it also works for the lips because it boosts collagen. So I show you guys befores and afters of the derma rolling. Another recent thing I've experimented with is waist training. I'm sure you've all heard of waist training, if you follow Kim Kardashian. Yeah, so waist training is kind of like corset training, but it's not as hardcore. So you just live your life wearing a very tight, constraining latex girdle on your torso area for 5 to 8 hours a day. And is that actually going to reduce your weight, make you lose weight, change your figure, make the stomach fat go away? Does that actually work, right? I was curious. I didn't actually find any science on it, so I figured, okay, I'll give it a go. So I tried it out, and there are some before and after pictures, measurements, footage in my waist training result videos. So that's basically what this channel is. It's just I did try different things out, see if they work, document my results, and share my results with you to help you guys. Give you guys more of an idea if this or that trend is going to be worth your time, money, and energy. So if you're into any of that, I think you would love this channel. I also do product reviews. Of course, it is YouTube. And I do a lot of color contact reviews. I'm kind of obsessed with color contacts. So if you're into that too, I have more of that to come. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Cheers. I'll see you guys later.